Next, we will create a ductwork schematics and perform a pressure drop calculation. The purpose of the calculation is to determine the pressure loss in the main direction. To select a suitable fan, click the HV Systems button. Select a system. Press the Ductwork Schematics button. Select a file you want the schematics to be created in. Ductwork schematics for the whole system is created automatically. Click the Flow Summation button. When prompted, select a head section. We select the section closest to the fan. Press Enter to confirm selection. At the same time, a leader is created for each section. The leader shows the size, the airflow, and the actual velocity. Next, we can perform the calculation. Click the calculation with a balancing button. When prompted, select a head section. We select the section closest to the fan. Press Enter to confirm selection. Leaders are created for throttle valves automatically. The results are shown in a table. The Excel file can then be saved under any name. Now we can proceed to collecting data for the schedule.